Oh, there's a metal thing that you could have, you can exchange for the other.
What is under?
There's a Ripper.
Oh, that's under here.
No, I think that's it. I think it's just a case.
Okay.
So you can put, how many Beyblades you can put in there? Just 2?
One. Or you can.
Is that a Beyblade too? The one, the red one?
Oh, mommy, no, wait.
What is that? Is it a Beyblade?
Yeah.
Oh. How come there's no tip?
There's a tip.
Let me see. Oh, there. Oh, try it. Maybe that's better than the other Beyblades that you got because that's from Santa.
I think it's the better than the green one. Wait.
You're gonna change everything. So you need to put all the parts
Oh, wait. This
in one
goes
place.
here. Then you need to get another medal. And this goes there. And here.
Oh, so all the parts. So if you want to change everything, huh?
Yeah.
Did you like it?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
What will you say to Santa?
I said thank you.
Do you say thank you again?
Thank you.
Thank you, Santa.
Why did you put in the stocking?
Because maybe it cannot fit. It was in the bag. It cannot fit in the stocking.
I think he's gonna give another one, and I think it's gonna be more better.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Your stocking is still up. So it's still Christmas today, then we'll see.
I'm gonna show my daddy. Oh, yes.
But Daddy's sleeping still, honey.
I love Santa.
Oh, you need to be a good boy. Because he only gives
Mommy,
gifts
this is a
to
metal baby,
nice.
not a big baby. You know he's showing me a big baby.
Which one?
The big baby in the picture now. It's a better baby.
So which is better?
This one.
Yeah, that one is bigger than the others Beyblades you have.
No, the El Drago can beat up this one.
Oh, only the El Drago, but your El Drago is you need to change that.
You know the El Drago is really expensive.
Oh, is
because
it?
it's really strong.
Oh. Well, you need to change that one. It's not working. The Ripper is not working. Oh, the launcher. So cool.
Yeah, I can battle anybody.
Whoa, see? It works.
Oh gosh,